Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ease, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah, your English teacher.
And I'm Alvin. Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Alvin, and hello to all our fantastic listeners in the US, the UK, Canada, Europe, and all around the world. It is a beautiful day to learn English.
It really is. But Sarah, I have a problem.
Oh? What happened this time?
Yesterday I met my new neighbor in the hallway. I wanted to say something in English, but my brain stopped.
Your brain stopped?
Completely. I just smiled like a statue, and then I walked away.
You walked away?
Yes, it was so awkward. I didn't know how to start a conversation.
I understand. Many people feel like that. Maybe you, listening right now, feel the same. You see a new person, you want to talk, but you don't know the first sentence.
Exactly. I feel shy, I feel nervous.
Then today's lesson is perfect for you. Today we will talk about how to start a conversation in English, even if you're shy.
Oh, that is exactly what I need.
And we will make it very simple and very clear.
Good. My brain needs simple.
Before we start, we have a small, polite request.
We will not say, give me a like.
No, we will say, could you please click the like button?
And could you please subscribe to English with Ease?
It really helps us.
And it helps you. You don't miss new English lessons.
Thank you so much. Let's start with some key words. Word 1, shy. Shy means you feel quiet with people.
I am shy with new people.
Word 2, nervous. Nervous means your body feels stress. Maybe your heart is fast. Maybe your hands feel cold.
That is me before every conversation.
Word 3, confident. Confident means you feel strong, you believe in yourself.
I want to be confident, not shy.
Good goal. Word 4, small talk. Small talk means simple, light conversation. Not deep topics, just easy, friendly topics.
Like weather, weekend, hobbies.
Exactly. Word 5, awkward. Awkward means you feel strange, not comfortable.
Silent elevator. That is awkward.
Yes, we will kill that silence today. Many learners think, I need perfect grammar to speak. That is not true. You only need a simple conversation starter. A conversation starter is the first sentence.
Like a key that opens the door.
Yes, exactly. A key. Here is a very easy pattern.
Hi, I'm Plus.
Why?
Our name.
For example, hi, I'm Sarah.
Hi, I'm Alvin.
Then add a simple question. Hi, I'm Sarah. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Alvin. Where are you from?
Perfect. With only this, you can start many conversations. Now, what can you talk about in the US, UK, Canada, Europe? People use some safe topics. Safe means not too personal, not dangerous. Topic 1, weather. People love to talk about weather. Examples, nice weather today, isn't it? It's really cold today, right?
Or, it's so hot today.
It's good. Topic 2, work or study. What do you do? What are you studying?
Topic 3, weekend. How was your weekend? Do you have plans for the weekend?
Great. Topic 4, hobbies. What do you like to do for fun? Do you play any sports?
Topic 5, pets. Do you have any pets? I have a dog. Do you like dogs?
In many Western countries, people love pets. Dogs, cats, they can talk about them for a long time. Now, very important, topics to avoid. Avoid means do not use at the start.
Danger zone.
Yes, with new people in the US, UK, Canada, Europe, do not start with politics, religion, money, salary, very personal questions.
So no. Hi, I'm Alvin. How much do you earn?
No, no, no. Better. Hi, I'm Alvin. Do you live nearby?
Much better.
Let's practice now. Situation 1. A new colleague at work. I am the new colleague. You are Alvin, the shy but brave worker.
This is scary, but okay.
First, how not to do it. Hi.
Hi, and I run away.
Yes, that was nothing.
That is me in real life.
Let's fix it. Use our pattern. Hi, I'm +1 question. Hi.
Hi, I'm Alvin. I work in marketing. Are you new here?
Hi, Alvin, I'm Sarah. Yes, I just started this week.
Oh, welcome. How are you finding it so far?
It's good, thank you. Everyone is very friendly.
I'm glad to hear that.
See? Easy. You use 3 great sentences. Hi, I'm Alvin. Are you new here? How are you finding it so far?
How are you finding it so far? Means, how do you like it?
Exactly. Situation 2. At a party, you see someone standing alone. There is music, there is food.
And there's my fear.
You can use food, music, or the room to start.
Okay, I will try. Hi, I'm Alvin.
Hi, Alvin. I'm Sarah.
The food looks great.
Yes, it does. These chips are really good.
Do you know the host?
Yes, I work with her.
Oh, nice. Do you work in the same team?
Yes, we both work in sales.
Cool. I'm in design.
Oh, that's interesting. That was natural.
I use the food to start.
Food is a great friend. You can also use compliments. Compliment means say something nice. For example, I like your jacket. Where did you get it? This music is nice. Do you know the band?
People usually smile after a compliment.
Yes, they feel happy and they want to talk more.
Sarah, another problem. I start a conversation, but then my brain stops. I don't know what to say next.
Good point. We need follow-up questions. Follow-up question means the next question after their answer. Use words like, really? Oh, wow. That's cool. And questions like, which? Why? How long? Example. Person. I'm from Canada. You. Oh, nice. Which city?
Or person. I like football. Me. Cool. Which team do you support?
Perfect. One answer, one follow-up question. Now, some common mistakes to avoid.
Oh yes, my favorite part.
Mistake 1, only saying hi and nothing else. Just hi is not enough. Better, hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Mistake 2, speaking too fast or too quietly. When I'm nervous, I speak very fast, or like a whisper.
Try to speak a little slower and a little louder, not shouting, just clear. Mistake 3, asking very private questions too early. For example, are you married? Or do you live alone? Sarah, in many Western cultures, these are too personal at the start.
So I will stay with weather, work, weekend, hobbies, pets.
Yes, those are your safe friends. Let's practice some pronunciation now. Repeat after me, listeners. And you too, Alvin. Shy,
Shy,
nervous,
nervous,
confident,
confident,
awkward,
awkward,
conversation,
conversation,
compliment.
compliment.
Now I want to give you 4 practical tips. You can use them today.
I love this part.
Tip 1. Use a simple script. Memorize 1 or 2 conversation starters. For example, hi, I'm Iskar. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Dia. Where are you from? Practice them many times at home. Say them in front of a mirror.
Like learning a short song.
Yes, like a small song for your mouth. Tip 2. Smile. A small smile is very powerful. In the US, UK, Canada, Europe, a friendly smile makes people relaxed.
Even if you feel shy inside, you can still smile outside.
Exactly. Tip 3. Listen more than you speak. You don't need many words. Just ask simple questions and listen. People like good listeners.
So, I don't need to be super funny?
No. You only need to be kind and interested. Tip 4. Start small. You don't need a big, long talk. Just one small conversation. Say hi to the person at the coffee shop or to a colleague in the hallway. One small hi today. A bigger conversation tomorrow.
Step by step.
Yes. Step by step, you become more confident. Okay, quick review time.
Let's see what we learned. Keywords. Shy, nervous, confident, small talk, awkward, compliment.
Safe topics. Weather, work or study, weekend, hobbies, pets.
Patterns. Hi, I'm Nai. What's your name? Hi, I'm Pai. Are you new here? How was your weekend? What do you like to do for fun?
And remember, one answer, one follow-up question, and smile. Now we want to hear from you.
Yes, your turn to practice.
In the comments, write one conversation starter. For example, hi, I'm Anna. Where are you from?
Or, hi, I'm Omar. Do you like sports?
Use your real name if you like. Imagine you are at work or at a party. What will you say?
We read your comments.
We really do. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to English with Ease.
Click the like button and share this video with a shy friend.
Or with someone moving to the US, UK, Canada, or Europe.
They will need small talk.
In our next video, we will talk about small talk at work, how to talk to your boss and colleagues.
Oh, that is going to be fun and important.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
You are doing a great job with your English.
Remember, it's okay to feel shy, but every "Hi, I'm" is a big win.
We believe in you,
Take care, keep practicing.
and see you next time.
Bye, everyone. Bye for now.